My name is Manoj. నేను 6th క్లాస్ చదువుతున్నాను. నేను సమ్మర్ క్యాంప్కి Anagha వచ్చి కంప్యూటర్ నేర్చుకుంటున్నాను. నేను ఒక పవర్ పాయింట్ చేశాను, అది మీకు చూపిస్తాను. ఇంట్రడ్యూసింగ్ అబౌట్ ఏపీజే అబ్దుల్ కలాం. Abdul Kalam full name is Avul Pakir Jainul Abdul Kalam. He was born on 15th October 1931. Rameshwaram in Tamil Nadu in India. He died on 27th July 2015, Shillong in Meghalaya in India. Abdul Kalam best friend is during the school days. Pakshi Ramanath Sastri was his best friend. How far is the favor of virtue necessary? Hard work comes first. Fortune favors the hard working. There is a famous saying: God helps those who help themselves. There is another saying that it takes many years of hard work to make an overnight success. Who do you think is the first scientist? He think the child is the first scientist because the children are the source of unending questions. Science was born and lives only by questions. Which has been the happiest day in your life? He once worked with the doctors who were making calipers for polio affected persons. When children were given those night weight calipers, they started running. They could even pedal cycles. The sight of happiness on their faces was bliss to me. What is your message to the citizen of India? His message to the youth is given in the 5 points out, which I normally administer. Some of them are as follows. From now onwards, I will teach at least 10 persons to read and write to those who cannot read and write. He will plant at last 10 saplings and shall ensure their growth through constant care. He will not support any religion, caste and language differentiation. He will always be friend of the mentally and physically challenged and will work hard to make them feel normal like the rest of us. He will proudly celebrate the success of my country and my people. Thank you. ఈ అవకాశం ఇచ్చినందుకు థ్యాంక్స్.